Welcome back, YouTubers. Oh, another day at Copycat. All these projects and no time to work on them. Gonna attempt to fix something in my car here. Going a little bad neck, and all honesty, guys. Other day I come out. I don't know if you all that don't know much about wet floorboards, how hard they're on a car and how they rust out. Having something that leaks, gets your floorboards wet, rust out, holes in floor pans. We call the old 60s and 70s models. They're right at that. Rusted out. Whew. You kind of guess which car I may be talking about I'm having this issue with. S10 used to have this problem. I fixed it. It's not my new Chevy, and it's not my 87. My 87 stays nice and dry. Keep it cleaned out, keep all the channels and everything cleaned out to keep that from happening. Neither one of the Civics, even though the Civic window on one's kind of cracked down. But probably thinking, it's that sunroof in that Grand Prix you got, or Grand Dam. You're probably thinking, it's that sunroof in that Grand Dam. Nope, ain't the sunroof. It's my baby girl back here. Look at that. Yep, my 08 Mustang. Apparently, there's a channel. Little ones, you want to know what I'm doing. What were you doing? You go fall again. Look at that knee, still bleeding. But she's going to her Mustang. But yeah, but apparently there's a channel here under the cowl. Get some stuff under it, causes it to back flood through somewhere, back down in the floor pan. I noticed this because I walked out yesterday morning and my windows were fogged up in my car. I'm like, that's odd. I checked my windows, checked the floorboard plumb full of water. So I'm throwing towels in there and trying to dry it out. So today we're going to see if we can't figure out if it's that channel or if it's something else. So hang in there and we'll see if we can't find it out. So I found a problem. I'll show you how I took this piece out real fast before I get any farther. Probably easier with two people, so you don't have to remove your hood. But if you get somebody wiggling your hood up and down a little bit to get this piece out, it makes it a little easier. You see right here, this piece goes up in there. This piece here kind of catches into the corner right here. So you kind of got to shut your hood and pull that piece out that way. Now you got these little small pushing tabs on the back here. Flop this over. But you want to make sure you don't break these push tabs right there. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, counting the one out here on the end. Right there. Want to make sure you don't break those off. And to get this piece loose, you got, of course, your push pins. Got your 2 screws that goes down through them, and we'll push. You know, you have the tool, take them out, or you take Phillips. Sometimes these come right out. Sometimes they put a flathead underneath it, pop up. They look like this together. This is how they look. You just take your Phillips, and this screw will come out, and then of course you got your flat washer that's made into your push in. Like I said, if not, you can usually get back up under there and push that up just enough to get it started. But as you can see, when we got it out, I don't know if I can, let me turn the light on, see. Menu light on. Okay, got light on now. See, look at that water laying down in there. What happens when it gets full? Goes right back in through here, right into your car. Being my car sits on this angle, it all stacks. So there's actually a hole down in there. I gotta get the drain to drain back out. Leaking right back down in there. Anyways, alright, so we'll try to find this hole and I'll show you where it's at when I find it. See all that water? All that just came out of that spot. Down there, drained out. Now can you see that hole? That oval spot? Got plumb full of stuff, packed up the water. Water filled up, got in the filter, which I'm going to have to replace probably now. But yeah, that little hole, oval hole in there, stopped up for debris. Could be from the road, could be from all these trees. Enjoy living in the hills. You have some obstacles that most people don't have to deal with that's in the city. But yeah, unplug that hole. A little bit of pain to get to. Not too bad. Hold 20-25 minutes to figure it out and do it. So for you all that want to try to do it at your house, or wonder why your 08 Mustang, or probably 05 to 014 Mustang, even maybe any of the S197s, I'd say, floorboard's getting wet, they probably sat long enough to get crud down that hole, pack it up. I'm gonna finish cleaning that hole out and show you how to put this stuff back together, hopefully an easy way with one person. So yeah, went back way easier than it came out. Piece is a little more flexible going back in a little bit, because when you put it in, you can actually angle it in. It's a little flap right here. See, it's a little flexible. And you can actually kind of angle that piece in. And as you angle that piece in, you come in and you slide back in place, and you line your top up, snap your top down, pop it down, and put your two back. Pretty easy piece to put back in. A little hard to take out. I'd say two people make it easy, so you don't scratch it. I did scuff a spot of mine. You see right there, a little scuff, and then I scuffed a little bit right there, trying to take it out. That's because I was doing it by myself, and I had to work the hood and reach up underneath there and jiggle a piece. It's possible to do. I did it. It's not real hard. Like I said, you can probably do it by yourself. Two people, just if you don't want to worry about scuffing it, that'll rub right out, I'm sure. Wasn't like a major scuff, but yeah, if you're 08 or 05 to, I think it's 2009, 2010 Mustang, the S197, that might run up to 14. I'm not really sure, but yeah, your floorboard's getting wet. You can't figure out why. Probably got shit in that little old oval rubber drain there. Not the greatest ideal. Mine actually had a stick in it and then had all the pollen stuck in it. So just a little twig. I mean, just a little twig got in there, and then all that pollen and leaves and stuff stuck on top of it. If you keep your car in the garage, you probably don't have to worry about it. Unfortunately, I don't got my garage finished, and it gets covered. So for all the 98% of people out there that can't keep their Mustang in the garage these years, if I was for GTs, V6s, I'm sure it's all the same design. Was the way they had it to basically keep your water draining out. And once it gets so full, it runs back to that filter and back through your vents in your car, which is not a good thing at all. So, yeah, not good design. Not gonna give Ford much credit on that. I mean, the car is 10 years old, so I mean, for the first 5-6 years outside, you ain't got to worry about it. Okay, unless you live underneath a lot of trees and a lot of pollen, live in the hills, you don't have these issues. So there's your little tip on your Mustang. Floorboard's getting wet. Way to fix it: clean your drain hole out, clean your bum hole out. But yeah, thanks for watching. Just like, subscribe, enjoy. Any other helpful tips come up about any of the cars I have, I'll post them. Any questions on 08, we'll figure out we can't find and make a video for you for them. Sorry, this one wasn't a little bit more into showing you how as I did it, because I wasn't sure myself. It was the first time done it, and I still done it like 20 minutes. It was simple. So don't get discouraged. Jump in there. Worst you can do is break a tool or a piece on your car. If that's the case, you're fixing it anyways. So enjoy and try it yourself.